Hello friends, welcome to DP Tutorials. In this tutorial, let us learn how to export only some portion of a Primavera P6 schedule. In Primavera, we can export a schedule to Microsoft Excel for getting updates and then import it back to Primavera P6. Let us see how it is done. This is the sample schedule in Primavera P6 of a process boiler plant. Suppose if we want to export a particular list of activities, say activities of WBS called Junction House TP10. Create a filter to capture all activities under the Junction House TP10 WBS. Go to Filters, click on New button. Name the filter as WBS filter and then put the rule as where WBS is under Junction House TP10. Now click OK. Test the filter whether it is working or not. Once it is working fine, go to File and select Export. Now Export dialog box will open up. Select the spreadsheet format .xlsx and click Next. In this Export Type dialog box, select all fields, or else as per your wish you can select those fields and click Next. Tick the checkbox here to export the file. In the Select Template dialog box, choose to modify any template and select your required columns and then go to the Filter tab and select the WBS filter that we have created and click OK. Continue exporting process by selecting File to export and click Next and click on Finish finally. Okay, so now let's go to desktop and let us open and see the exported Excel file to observe that only the activities of WBS Junction House TP10 have been exported as per our desire. So friends, this is all about how to export only some portion of a Primavera P6 schedule. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.